All right, so we're watching Octonaut, so it might sound a little weird in the background, but in my keyword research tool, Ahrefs, I've typed in how to become a nurse. That keyword is 47 out of 100, so not too bad. We look at the matching terms, there are 4,000 keywords and a total monthly search volume of 85,000. We could do something like how to become a travel nurse. I'm not going to create content here, I'm going to dive a little bit deeper. I also see how long does it take to become a nurse. I'm going to copy this also and put it in Google. So when I paste it into Google, I am looking for small and medium websites that are talking about how long does it take to become a nurse. This website right here, nursetheory.com, looks interesting. I take the domain name and I paste it back into our keyword research tool, and I'm going to see how large the website is. All right, I think we got a winner. 3 million rank on Ahrefs. It has over 28,000 organic keywords. This could be our opportunity. All right, so here we're looking at the keywords. What we're going to do is we are going to change the keyword difficulty again to 5 or less. So when we change it to 5 or less, these are the keywords that pop up. We could create content on white leather shoes for nursing and be an affiliate for different shoes, work bags for nursing. Again, these are all affiliate opportunities where we could find affiliate programs and create content. And also I want to point out that these are getting thousands of monthly searches with low keyword difficulty. This one's 21,000. I don't know what that is. I'm not a nurse, but as you can see, there is opportunity here. You could create a blog, you could create a YouTube channel. In fact, let me show you about YouTube real quick. So I typed in best nurses watches, easy for me to say. And as you can see, this top result here, 841 views, only 29 subscribers, a 10-minute video, best watches for nurses in 2020, 5 best products, 4,000 views, only a 3-minute video. And as you can see, people are doing this. You put in affiliate links and you make money. Let me know if that made sense. If you saw how I went from an idea of nursing all the way to finding products, then you could be an affiliate and you can actually make money a few different ways with affiliate marketing and running ads and even starting a YouTube channel.